Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am sharing the cutting sandwich that I have been using with my Gemini Junior, and I have found that this has decreased the amount of warping that I'm getting in my plates exponentially. And I will say that I did get this idea from Jennifer McGuire, who also got it from a viewer of hers. And I'm going to share with you how I put this together. So first of all, you need the Gemini Junior cutting plates for double-sided dies. Now these come in a pack of 2, which is perfect because you're going to need 2 to make this work in your die cutting machine. Now, I will also tell you that this is not the die cutting sandwich that Gemini recommends. This is kind of an altered die cutting sandwich. I have experienced no harm to my machine, and I've been using it several months, but keep that in mind. Now, you're also going to need 2 of the clear cutting plates. These are the standard cutting plates that come with every Gemini Junior and that you use in every sandwich to die cut no matter what. So I'm going to take one of each of these plates, one clear cutting plate and one of the cutting plates for double-sided dies, which you'll see have kind of a greenish tint to them. And I'm going to stack them up on top of each other, and I want them to stay stacked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of shipping tape and I'm going to pull off a piece, and I'm going to tape these 2 die cutting plates together. This is going to keep them from shifting around. If you're not comfortable adding tape to your plates, you can absolutely use these in a sandwich without taping them together, but this just makes it so much easier when I go to use my Gemini Junior. So I'm just putting a little tape on the edge of that cutting plate for double-sided dies, or the greenish colored one, and I'm wrapping it around to the clear cutting plate. Now I'm going to rotate this, and I'm going to do it on the other side as well. Now, one thing I did want to mention is that the cutting plates for double-sided dies, those green colored ones that I'm using, are slightly smaller than the standard clear cutting plate that you get with your Gemini Junior. So you are going to lose like the tiniest bit of die cutting area, but I haven't found that to be much of a problem at all. So once I've put this together, I'm going to do it again with the second clear cutting plate and the second cutting plate for double-sided dies. So you can see I have this all taped together. It's like it's one plate. And now I'm going to do this again so that I have 2. So through the magic of television, I now have 2 of these, and I am ready to die cut. Now, when I go to die cut, I'm going to make sure that I cut into that green plate every time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my paper and my die with the blade facing the green plate. And I'm going to place my second set of plates on top with the green plate facing in. So both of the green plates are on the inside and the clear plates are on the outside. And then I'm going to run that through my Gemini Junior. And you're going to see this is heavyweight Nina Solar White 110-pound cardstock. I get a perfect die cut. Now, after a while, your plate's going to get a little bit messed up. And the beauty of this is, you can see I've been using it for a long time. It's not warped, but sometimes those lines add a little bit of debossing or kind of muckiness to my die cuts. So all I have to do is take those plates apart, remove the old tape, flip this green cutting plate for double-sided dies over, and then I have a brand new cutting plate that I can use in a sandwich, and nothing has warped. It is so beautiful. Now, cutting plates are a consumable, so eventually they're gonna get warped, they're gonna get totally mucked up, and you're gonna need new plates. But I have found that this sandwich has been a winner for me, and I hope you'll try it out. If you're looking for links to supplies used in this video, be sure to check the YouTube description, or you can head on over to my blog. I will have that linked below as well. Thanks for stopping by today. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.